Good morning, children. Children, your class teacher Anuradha Sinha is here to provide you some guidelines on how to write your first formative assessment. Children, one more thing, there is a request to all of you that this video, which is strictly made in order to provide you the guidelines, you should share this video with your parents. Dear parents, there is a request to all of you. Please listen to this video and do follow all the guidelines that are given in this video so that we can carry the test, the formative assessment in a very smooth and organized manner. So parents, I need your cooperation and support, and at the same time your guidance that you would be providing to your wards during the assessment. Okay, so I am starting with it. Children, can you see this sheet? This is a simple 2-line sheet. Okay, when you are going to give the test, you have to take this kind of sheet only, one single sheet. Okay, now what you are supposed to write on it? On the top, first you will write here FA1. Okay, then on the left hand side I want 3 information. First one is your name. Okay, second one is your roll number. Third one will be your section 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this should be on your left hand side. Right hand side you will write your father's name. Then your WhatsApp number. And the last one is the date. Okay, so once again I am repeating the first part of the guideline. On the top you would be writing FA1. On the left hand side corner 3 information: name, roll number, section. Don't worry about the roll number. Today by evening I would be sending you the roll numbers. Okay, so by seeing the roll number you have to memorize your roll number and you have to write it. आज शाम तक आपको रोल नंबर मिल जाएगा. आप अपना अपना रोल नंबर याद रखेंगे और वही रोल नंबर आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. 3 चीज़ें आपको लिखनी है यहाँ पर: नेम, रोल नंबर, सेक्शन. टॉप में आप FA1 ज़रूर लिखेंगे और राइट हैंड साइड इस पेज के दाहिने तरफ आप लिखेंगे पिता का नाम, व्हाट्सएप नंबर और डेट. ओके, आप ये सब हर दिन एग्ज़ाम के 1 दिन पहले ही कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. लाइक मंडे आपका इंग्लिश एग्ज़ाम है. ओके, आप इस चीज़ को संडे ही कंप्लीट करके रख लेंगे ताकि एग्ज़ाम वाले दिन सुबह आपको हड़बड़ी ना हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट, दिस इज़ योर पेज. You will divide your page into 3 parts. सबसे पहले इस पेज को 2 बराबर भागों में बांट दीजिए. Divide this page into 2 equal parts by drawing horizontal lines. Okay? Then the first half of the page, the top part, divide this part again into 2 equal parts. Okay, so how many parts total we are having here? Total we are having 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now you will be having 3 types of questions. The first question will be written here. The second type of question would be written here. And the third type of question would be written here. Okay. पहला क्वेश्चन जो भी होगा आप उसे यहाँ लिखेंगे, दूसरा उसे यहाँ लिखेंगे, तीसरा उसे आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. इस चीज़ का आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आपको सेकेंड सीट यूज़ नहीं करना है. ओके. वंस अगेन आई एम इंस्ट्रक्टिंग दिस. यू विल not use a second seat for any of the test. English, Hindi, Maths, EVS, for all the subjects आप सिंगल सीट यूज़ करेंगे और सब में यही पैटर्न आप फॉलो करेंगे चारों सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए. अगर कोई बच्चा सेकेंड सीट यूज़ करता है, that second seat will not be corrected. Once again I am repeating, if you use a second seat, that won't be corrected. आपको टेस्ट सिर्फ एक ही शीट पर देना है. ओके. योर टेस्ट टाइमिंग वुड बी 7:30 at time of test. At 7:30 sharp you will get your question. 7:30 बजे आपका क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. उसे कंप्लीट करने के बाद आप उस कंप्लीटेड आंसर शीट को 8:10 से लेकर 8:20 के बीच ग्रुप में सबमिट कर देंगे. ओके. यू विल सबमिट द कंप्लीटेड आंसर शीट बिटवीन 8:10 to 8:20. At 8:20 the group will get closed. Whoever will submit the sheet after 8:20 will not be accepted. 8:20 में ग्रुप क्लोज हो जाएगा और 8:20 के बाद जो भी शीट आएंगे उसे एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया जाएगा. This should be taken very very strictly into consideration. After 8:20 the group will not accept any answer sheet. So be very prompt in your work and submit it within 8:10 to 8:20. Parents, till date you all have provided a lot of support and cooperation to us, that is the teachers. I do need your cooperation and support again, so that we can conduct this test in a very smooth and organized manner. So please take all these guidelines into consideration and see to it that your word is fulfilling these guidelines. Thank you.